Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you rename your passkey into Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to rename your passkey, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after opening the application you will get to see this dotted icon into the top left corner. Simply tap into that, and after that select your profile. Then go over security option directly, and from here you will get the option of passkey in the second option. Simply select passkey, and after that you will get your passkey named cross device into mine. You just simply have to tap into this pencil icon beside that passkey. Simply tap into that, and you can just simply have to remove the current username and enter a new one. I'm setting it as passkey new and tap to save. This way you can very easily rename your passkeys into Bitget. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.